engineered bamboo
Yes, sir.
na they're now using in airports. And as a matter of fact, we requested the Bukidnon Airport to utilize inside the terminal the Rhizome or whichever company that can produce engineered bamboo beams.
Yes.
Para open beam siya pero bamboo siya. And we can be a major producer of that. My
Yes, Your Honor.
goodness. Hindi lang China,
Yes.
Philippines. And it's a good carbon sequestrator. Yes, Secretary, mukhang na-excite ka.
Yeah, because we have a very big bamboo S&T program through the leadership of Picard, FPRDI and PTRI, because we're using bamboo for bamboo clothing. We hope to invite you to that we will do a massive bamboo planting in October 17 in Mindanao to be the Guinness Book of World Records. O yun nga. And then we're planning to establish a materials testing facility in Northern Mindanao. We have the site so that we can test the products produced in Northern Mindanao like engineered bamboo, because the companies there need us to test the product so that it can be exported.
Need the standards. As a matter of fact, even for the building code, we need to amend the existing building code to allow bamboo as a pwede na para sa beams, pwede sa structural material na siya. It's no longer decorative. It is structural material na. And I think that's one, your engineered bamboo should be one product that the DOST should be proud of talaga. Yung talagang kayo yan eh. Kayo talaga nagtulak niyan. I've been hearing about your engineered bamboo programs for a long, long time. You should take charge of that. You should take that on the reins. And we can now do that program. There's massive bamboo plantations now. And then a lot of companies are coming in to put up the engineered bamboo plants. Yung
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
talaga? Planta na siya.
Plants.
Planta na
We
siya.
have two big manufacturing plants
Aside
in the
from Rhizome,
Philippines. Aside from Rhizome, we have the CS First Green in Bayambang, Pangasinan.
pero sa Luzon. Importante may
Yes,
meron
sir.
sa Luzon din.
Yes, sir.
So, yung kwentuhan mo nga kami about your bulletproof na bamboo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi kausap ko kanina, pag CR ko kanina, nandyan yung PNP, sabi ko, bibigyan ko sila lahat ng bamboo bulletproof. Skeptical sila eh. Sabi ko, hindi. Maganda yan. Wag lang ibukbok, pero okay na.
Yes, Your Honor. The bamboo is treated so it won't be attacked by bukbok. We have developed the first prototype was developed and it passed level 2A standard, which is yung handguns lang po.
Handguns
So,
lang. Wala pa yung
Yes.
223.
Yes, Your Honor. And medyo mabigat yung vest, if you make it into a vest. That's why, as mentioned by Secretary, we think that it is more appropriate for the armored vehicles. So we are now producing that.
Could you
developing that.
could you show us a sample of that the vest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oo.
Yes, Your
Show
Honor.
us a sample of the vest.
Yes, sir.
Oo, sige. Ano pang
Yun po sa armored van ay we have developed, it passed the level 3A. So ito po yung mga high-powered for armored vehicle. But we are targeting level 3, which is yung armor-piercing bullets na po. Kasi yun yung preference ng mga armored vehicle manufacturers.
problema mo lang dyan, baka pwede madaling masunog. Sunugin nila yung kotse kasi bamboo yan. Lagyan ng alcohol, tapos sunog. Labas sila. Kasi yung fire retardant ba yan?
We can have a fire
sige na.
retardant.
Oo.
sir.
Prepper kasi ako. I'm a prepper. I like to train. I like to... So, fire retardant dapat.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ano
So
pang...
we-
ano pang inyong
So
projects?
it's, right now, we also have a program. Yung pong bulletproof vest and for armor vehicle is under the Human Security and Defense Program. This program is in support to the